Hi, this is an explanation of raw foods and their cause and effect relationship with our health. Raw food is the basis of diet. Many of us are not eating enough raw foods and are paying the price. So, what are some of the results people experience with a raw food-based diet? Many people become overall more healthy, have more mental clarity, and lose weight. The raw foods provide what the body is missing to regenerate. So what's so special about raw foods that makes them have these effects? The nutrients in raw food are colloidal. When it is heated, the food loses its high energy state. What is a nutrient in a colloidal state? It is a state of the nutrient being polarized, which makes it efficient in transferring energy. When a food is heated, the colloid loses its high energy state. This is why the body regenerates faster eating raw food than cooked food. It is the high energy colloids. Proper diet is only one of the 13 principles of health. The proper diet includes eating foods that are non-toxic, therefore as organic as possible. The 13 principles of health supply a balanced approach. Missing even one of the principles affects our health. Principles of health in the Bible guide us to living healthy when properly understood. Though cooking does remove colloids, the food is broken down. Eating a food or herb that is tapping, whether it is raw or cooked, is bad. Tapping reserves may make us feel good in the short run, but the long-term effect is depleted reserves. Max Gerson allowed lightly steaming potatoes in the regimen he developed for overcoming degenerative diseases. Note that Gerson used a special juicer. He stated that this had to be produced in a special machine, a grinder and a separate press, because I found that in a centrifugal juicers or liquefiers I couldn't obtain the kind of juice which cured patients. Gerson found that foods lose their nutrients, which the body uses to regenerate, when electricity affects their nutrient state. Let's look at an apple. Toxins are usually on the skin of produce. Even in organic produce, sometimes they are on the inside as well. When we juice produce, many of the toxins are stuck on the fiber and don't come out in the juice. Different parts of a piece of produce contain different nutrients. So the skin has different nutrients than the inside does. A benefit of juicing is we don't ingest those toxins. Juicing has its drawbacks as well. That's the reason it is important to be balanced. Another way we can be unbalanced with raw food is to eat tapping produce. The way to know that citrus, such as lemons, tap the body's nutrient reserves is through Reams testing, which measures metabolic efficiency. Citrus, such as lemons, lowers the saliva pH, indicating an overall drop in the body's nutrient reserves. So we may feel better directly after we eat lemons. That is because it is taking nutrients from our body's reserves and putting them into circulation within the body. The correct way is to eat food that builds the body's nutrient reserves. It's better to have the nutrients in circulation within our body coming in, not going out. Non-toxic building raw food can provide nutrients which feed the body's flora. This is one reason we feel so good when we eat it. Another reason is that the body uses the raw food's nutrients to detoxify the systems in the body. Active, healthy flora then can get more nutrients from our food. These nutrients provide a basis for regeneration. We only feel good when our flora are active and healthy. Most meat commercially available today is not raised correctly and not slaughtered correctly. Supplementing with B12 is not a replacement for eating meat. Meat contains other essential nutrients other than B12. Eggs are an excellent source of nutrients. The body regenerates faster eating raw food than cooked because cooking destroys what we are missing to regenerate.